Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 11.4 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTH version. But the process is same on all Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MariaDB.war, then click on download, then click on MariaDB server repositories, then choose a distribution. See, we have the distributions like from 20 to 24. Okay, so select the Ubuntu version. So I'm on Ubuntu 22.04. Select it, then select the MariaDB server version. See, 11.4 is the latest stable version. Select it. See, we got the list of the commands that needs to be run to install the MariaDB. So copy these commands one by one. Copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now make this directory, hit enter. Now download this one, paste it, hit enter. It is also done. Now we have to create this file in this directory. Okay, so directly copy this one, Ctrl L, sudo vi, paste it, press I to insert mode, copy it, paste it, save the file, hit enter. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. See, package updation is completed. Now install MariaDB server, sudo apt get install MariaDB -server, hit enter, type 5 and hit enter. We have successfully installed MariaDB and the service name, see here, it is MariaDB.service. Okay, Ctrl L. Now verify the status, sudo systemctl status MariaDB, give the tab, hit enter. See, MariaDB service is running and it is enabled. Qt. Now connect to MariaDB server, Ctrl L, sudo MariaDB, hit enter. See, we have installed MariaDB server 11.4.4. But the first step after connecting to MariaDB is first we have to set the password for the root account. Alter user root @localhost identified by, provide the password for the root account. Hit enter. It is success. Now exit. Now give MariaDB -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set in the above command. Hit enter, Ctrl L, select version. See, we have installed MariaDB version number 11.4.4. Okay, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with installation of MariaDB. So let us create a database. Also verify current user, current_user. See, we have connected with the user root account. Okay, so create a database, verify, show databases. See, new database bank is there. Ctrl A. Now switch to this database by using the commands. Use is the keyword, then provide the database. Before it was none, now it is bank. Also verify, select. See, we are in bank database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table in this database and insert some data into this table. See, the error is we have to remove this one. See, we have successfully created a table. Show tables. See, we have created a table customer. Control L. Now insert some data into this table. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these three records. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create a user in MariaDB. First, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. Okay, we can get the list of the users by running the command user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So, create a user by running the command create user. Now verify again. See, new user James is there. Okay, now exit from this session which is connected by using root account. Now connect MariaDB by using new user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected with MariaDB by using James user. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MariaDB on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MariaDB, give the tab, enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, MariaDB inactive or dead. Q to quit, Control L. Also try to connect to MariaDB. See, cannot connect to local server through socket. Okay, because we have MariaDB server is stopped. So start it again. Now verify again. See, MariaDB service started 2 seconds ago. Control L. If you want to restart, just replace the status with restart. We have successfully restarted. Control L. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure MariaDB 11.4 on Ubuntu 22.04. For more MySQL or Ubuntu Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.